have a new book coming out called Grow a New Body.
Yes.
And that's released in a week. And Grow a New Body is about how we all have the ability to grow a new body. And in fact, there's nobody in the planet older than 7 years old. Because every 7 years, we grow new cells, new skin cells. You grow a new lining of your lungs every 3 days. But you also have all of these bacteria in your gut, which are our flora, and they're the ones that keep us healthy. So we produce in Chile at our retreat center that you guys have been to. It was so great to have you here. We produce our own probiotics, and we actually sing mantras to them.
Oh, wow.
And they two mantras that they love, because these are the probiotics that we grow ourselves. They're not laboratory grown because they're fed sugar, white sugar, and horrible stuff. We grow them with the nicest, ripest fruit. And there are two mantras that they love. They love Om Namah Shivaya and Om Shanti Shanti, peace, peace. And you want your intestinal flora to be at peace, otherwise you get really, really sick.
Yeah.
And they love classical music, and they love your music.
Oh, so when you say love, they grow better, they grow faster. That's how you see it. Do you feel it?
They grow stronger.
Oh, wow.
So that the probiotics that we grow here, particularly one called Saccharomyces boulardii, which is a yeast that competes with the candida in your stomach, and the candida is toxic, horrible stuff because it feeds on sugars. It dislodges the candida, and then this probiotic, which is also a yeast, leaves within 5 or 6 days, so you can repopulate your gut with good bacteria.
Mm-hmm.
And this Saccharomyces boulardii really loves the mantra, really loves the music.
Oh, wow.
They love Mozart and mantra.
Mozart, yeah, it's like the plants. It's common knowledge that plants really thrive on Mozart. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
We
That's
think
beautiful.
that I tell people, if you take probiotics, be sure you talk to them before you take them, because they're living creatures.
Mm-hmm.
They're alive, and I tell them that the mind of Gaia, the mind of the planet, is bacterial. And Gaia understands that humanity is a parasite that's killing so many species. So before you take your probiotics, you've got to talk to them and tell them, look, I'm not part of the problem. I'm part of the solution. I want to bring healing and beauty to all beings, and then they'll help to heal you.
Mm-hmm.
And if you don't do that, they might do away with you because they recognize we're part of the problem.
So
we have a recipe for preparing Saccharomyces boulardii that I mentioned that eliminates the candida in a very short period of time. It's a free recipe in our website at the4winds.com. If you'd like to check it out, it's a movie, actually it's a short movie on how you can prepare this amazing probiotic at home. And be sure to chant.
Oh, yes, I've seen the video. Marcella is doing it. Is showing.
Marcella, yeah,
Yes,
we're collecting the food, boiling it, preparing it, and opening the capsules, and being part of this biological experiment.
Yes, that's great. I love that video. That's beautiful.